welcome to another Live with Leah. I am here on site at Wren and Raven by Elevate Development Corp. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to level 1 of Building B. It gives us a really great vantage point for the commercial as well as Building A. And each level of Building B is actually in a different stage of finishing, so we're gonna check them all out. So before we head into Building B and see all of our finishing stages, right behind me is Building A, and it's right before its rough-in stage, so it doesn't have any of its framing, and it's only got its concrete section completed. So I'm standing on level 1 of the homes of Building B, and what's so great about the Wren and Raven site is it's on a grade. So even from level 1, we get really amazing views of Mount Baker and the river. So also from level 1 of Building B, you get a really great vantage point for the commercial. So we have Wendy's and Popeyes open. Blends is going to be opening later this month, and then Lucho Burrito is currently under construction. So let's head into level 1, Building B, and check it out. Standing in level 1, you can see that we're in our rough-in stage, which means they're getting all of the plumbing and electrical ready to be drywalled up. So we've made it to level 2, where all of the rough-in is done, and now we have the insulation on top. Now let's head up to level 3, where we see the next step. We're on level 3 and drywall has officially gone in. So now we're heading up to the 4th and final level where they should be in the finishing stage. So we have made it up to level 4, which is in its finishing stages on doors and moldings, and these homes are really taking shape. Thank you so much for joining me on another Live with Leah. As a reminder, my name is Leah with Pilot House Project Marketing, and I wanted to say goodbye to you guys today in front of this amazing rock wall that Elevate has put into Wren and Raven, and it just shows the level of care and attention that they put into all of their projects. I can't wait to keep you updated in the next couple months on what's been happening on site as we get closer and closer to completion.